Ever find yourself trudging through the murky waters of real estate lead generation, wondering if there's a light at the end of the tunnel? It's a struggle that many encounter, but fortunately, it's a struggle that can be overcome. Today, we're diving into the world of real estate lead generation services, an essential tool for any successful real estate professional. Imagine a service that does the heavy lifting for you, a service that sifts through the vast ocean of potential clients and surfaces only the most promising leads. These are the kind of services that real estate lead generation companies offer. But what does this entail exactly? Let's break it down. Firstly, these services implement advanced technology and comprehensive strategies to identify and attract potential clients. This might include using sophisticated algorithms and data analysis to pinpoint individuals who are likely to be interested in buying or selling real estate. Secondly, they offer marketing services to engage these potential clients. This could involve creating targeted ad campaigns, crafting engaging content, or managing your social media platforms. The goal is to not only attract potential clients, but to keep them engaged and interested in what you have to offer. Thirdly, they provide tools for nurturing these leads. This could be through automated email campaigns, personalized follow-ups, or customer relationship management tools. The idea is to build a relationship with your leads, turning potential clients into loyal customers. Finally, they offer services that help you track and analyze your leads. This allows you to understand your clientele better, refine your strategies, and ultimately, close more deals. To summarize, real estate lead generation services offer a comprehensive solution for finding and nurturing quality leads. They use advanced technology to identify potential clients, engage them through targeted marketing, nurture them with personalized follow-ups, and provide tools for tracking and analyzing your leads. It's like having a dedicated team working round the clock, ensuring you have a steady stream of quality leads. This not only saves you time and effort, but also allows you to focus on what you do best, closing deals and building relationships. So, if you find yourself lost in the vast ocean of potential clients, remember that there are services out there designed to guide you towards the most promising leads. After all, in the fast-paced world of real estate, every lead counts. In the end, it's not about finding more leads, it's about finding the right leads, and with the right real estate lead generation service, you're one step closer to turning potential clients into closed deals.